Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Wcoin airdrop, and I'm excited to share with you my decision regarding claiming my airdrop. As you may know, Wcoin has announced that they will be listing on various exchanges soon, and as part of this process they've asked us to claim our airdrop. However, many of us were surprised to learn that claiming the airdrop would require us to use either our Ton or Telegram stars. Personally, I have invested a significant amount of time, effort and resources into this Wcoin mining platform. I have spent Ton and Telegram stars to access features like the W Galaxy, to buy the W keys that has helped me qualify for the airdrop. Given this investment I have done on this Wcoin platform, I was initially hesitant when I heard that I would need to spend more Ton or Telegram stars to claim my airdrop. However, after careful consideration, I have decided to claim my airdrop. Despite the additional cost, I believe Wcoin has the potential to list at a high price on the exchanges, and I don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Wcoin airdrop, and I will also be sharing my airdrop amounts with you guys. I'm hopeful that the price of Wcoin will be high when it lists on different exchanges, and that my airdrop will be very huge and substantial. So guys, that's the decision. I've decided to claim my airdrop. I believe I have spent a lot of time, money and every other thing into this platform, so it's right that I claim my airdrop. I believe that by now most of you have not claimed, but it's your decision to make. Just decide for yourself. So I'm claiming my own right now. And also guys, there are different airdrop that are going on. They are not Telegram airdrop actually. So guys, if you want to join those airdrop, if you want to participate, just go over to the description of this video. You will see the airdrop list right there, the link of the airdrop. Tap on the link, they'll be directed to create your account, and I have videos, several videos on those airdrops right there. This airdrop is going to be giving us huge cash out, so make sure you join those airdrops. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys how to claim. So guys, right here you can see now I'm on my Wcoin mining app. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on the airdrop icon down there at the middle part. So let me tap on it right away. Right there guys, can see Wcoin airdrop. Get ready for the most massive W event ever. You can see guys the airdrop condition. As you can see, I met all the airdrop conditions, so you can see what's written there. You are eligible. So guys, now if yours is looking like this, just know that you're eligible to claim and participate in the airdrop. So guys, what I'm going to do next is tap on claim. So let me tap on claim real quick. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says claim fee. Funds will support the treasury and Wcoin launch stability. So guys, right here you can see it's either you use 1 Ton or 179 Telegram stars. So which am I going to use? I think I have enough Ton. I don't have enough Telegram stars. I have about 15 Telegram stars. So let me go with the Ton. So let me tap on Ton on the left hand side. Right here guys is the next step. It says connect your wallet. So you can decide to connect whichever wallet that you're using, Ton Keeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Hub, whichever one that you have. Telegram wallets, just go ahead. So I'm going to be using my Telegram wallet. So let me tap on open wallet in Telegram. Let me tap on it right away. Right there guys, can see my Telegram wallet is opening up. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there. Wcoin wants to connect to Ton Space. So let me give Wcoin the permission by tapping on where you can see connect at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. You can see guys it's loading up, so let's wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see Wcoin now connected to Ton Space. So guys, now you can see the next step I have to take now is to tap on 1 Ton again. Let me tap on 1 Ton. The first step is to connect your wallet. You can see what's written there, connected address. Now I've been able now to connect my address to claim my airdrop. So let me tap on 1 Ton right away. So guys, now you can see it's confirming the transaction is loading up. My wallet is opening up. Right here guys is the next step. You can see it right there, confirm transaction from Wcoin. You can see the amount of Ton is 1 Ton, and you can see the equivalent of the 1 Ton. The 1 Ton is about $3.49 US. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to tap on confirm to confirm the transaction. So let me tap on it. In case you want to see more details, you tap on show details. Let me tap on it. You can see this is the details. So let me tap on confirm. Right there guys, can see it's loading up. It's loading up. So let's just wait a few seconds. It's going to be successful. Still loading. You can see successful. Wow guys, you can now see you can see what's written there, airdrop in process. I was thinking I was going to see the amount of airdrop that has been allocated to me, but from the look of things I'll have to wait till on the 14th of May because I saw a message that they released on their official Telegram platform. They said airdrop in progress. Let me just tap on it to see what is there. So guys, now you can see now I've been able now to claim my airdrop. They said airdrop in process. Maybe in the next few days or in the next few seconds or few hours, maybe I'm going to be seeing my airdrop right there appearing. So let's just wait for a few minutes or few hours. Let's see what's going to happen. By the way, let me go over to the official Telegram group. Let me minimize. So guys, right here is the official Telegram group. You can see what's written here. Let me download this image. It says Doublecoin mining closed. Mates, time's up. Mining is over. Balances are frozen and the airdrop calculation has begun. Thanks for every tap and tax. You made it happen. Soon we will be able to tell you more about batteries and dices converting and double voucher swap. You can see the most important information right there. It says airdrop claim will be available until May 14. There is only a week left. Who is already eligible? So guys can see if you don't claim your airdrop before May 14th, you might be losing your airdrop. So go ahead to claim it if you want to, if you have decided to. Like I've decided, I've claimed it right now. So if you don't claim it until May 14th, you might be losing your airdrop. So if you're eligible, think about it. If you want to claim, you can claim. And also this is the tokenomics. They said mates, this is one of the most important stages in the journey. The full breakdown of Doublecoin allocation. Every percentage matters, and now you can see exactly how everything is distributed. They said 100 Doublecoin total amount. That means they're going to be distributing 100 Doublecoin. That's the total amount of Doublecoin token. You can see they said 60 plus 10% is for the community. You can see 60 plus 10% community allocation, which is actually cool, which is actually good. They said airdrop for the double community plus staking pool for the long term. So this is a huge allocation for community. This is about 60, that means 70%. So we're going to be expecting something huge. And they said 9% is for ecosystem fund, that is cool as well. And also 9% is also for cause and communities spreading the Doublecoin movement, for those influencers that helped out in bringing people into the platform. They're going to be getting 9% allocation. Then 8% is for centralized pool, centralized exchange pool, and for liquidity and listing support. Then 4% is for marketing, bringing new mates into the fold. So guys, now this is the full details of the tokenomics. You can see them right there. Let me open the image up, so just go ahead to look them out. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can claim your airdrop. Let me go back to the Doublecoin again. Let me refresh this page to see if the airdrop allocation will pop out. And so you can see guys, it's still showing airdrop in process after I refreshed it, after I reloaded the page. So maybe we're going to be waiting until the 14th of May to see our allocation. I'm very optimistic about the future of Doublecoin, and I believe that this airdrop will be a great opportunity for me to make a profit. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you all the best in your Doublecoin journey. See you guys in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.